coming.
You're now rocking with the greatest, reacting to the old and reacting to the latest. Every single genre, there's Birdman's taste. Everybody's welcome here in Birdman's place. Yeah.
What's shaking, baby? Birdman here. Welcome to my place. As always, thank you for stopping on in. Ladies and gentlemen, you tuned in, and we're gonna dig right in. But first things first, I need you to do something for me. Give me a like. If you're not a member of the Birdman Fam already, do so by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think of the video and hit me up with a request. And last but certainly not least, relax. Take your shoes off, kick your feet up, and enjoy, because we're going to have some fun today. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, we got a song by an artist that I've never heard of, and a song, obviously, that I've never heard. So I'm excited. As everybody knows, all the Birdman Fam knows, I love getting a song that I've never heard before and an artist I've never heard before. Gives me that open palette so I can find out what I really think about something without any sort of, past experience with the artist or the song. I really get that open listen. Today we got an artist by the name of Jeremy Adamiak, a song called Bird in Flight. Off his Wounded Heart EP. He's got an acoustic guitar, so I'm guessing some sort of country, maybe. Not 100% sure, but I guess we're about to find out. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get this started. But as always, it doesn't matter who it is. It's still pass or fail, y'all. Pass. Or fail. What's it gonna be? Hell, I don't know. But I'm ready to find out right now, me and you. So let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, the blue light behind me is for the Light It Up campaign to honor healthcare workers and other essential workers on the front lines of this COVID-19 pandemic. I love you guys. Thank you for everything you're doing. You're my heroes. But, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this started. We got Jeremy Adamiak. Bird in Flight. Let's get it. Definitely country. Already I can tell. Can I turn this up a little bit? Oh yeah, I did. Wow, that was really low. I love that guitar with the keys. That mixture is beautiful. Some kind of synthesizer or something?
I never believed you could shoot a bird in flight.
What a voice.
Even if I did, I'd have tried to fly. Living ain't worth living if you're only afraid to die.
Okay, hold up, y'all. I just actually had to do this on the last one too, but I need to do it again. I want to get these lyrics. Let's see, do we have the lyrics on one? Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. All right, well.
Right now is a time for action. That's why USAA is giving payment
Epic
relief
fail,
options to
Birdman. Epic fail.
I never believed you could shoot a bird in flight. Even if I did, I'd have tried to fly. Living ain't worth living if you're only afraid afraid to die.
Wow.
So here's one for the records. Hold on tight.
Living ain't worth living if you're afraid to die.
Here's one for the records. Hold on tight.
I gotta feel this is gonna be deep.
Whoa, whoa. Life goes on. No matter how hard you fall. See, no one knows how you feel. Somebody knows how you feel.
Wow. This is deep. No matter how hard you fall, life's gonna keep going, y'all. That's beautiful.
World, you know, it moves at such a pace. We spend so much of our time just trying to save face. You know, we all want forgiveness, but we don't want to change.
Wow.
I'm telling you right now, you gotta change.
We all want forgiveness, but we don't change. Yeah, I can see that. You keep asking, you know, forgive me, but if you keep making the same mistakes, you're not really sorry, are you? I mean, you might be. It might be something that's an addiction of some sort, but 9 times out of 10, if you're just hurting somebody and you keep doing it over and over again and you keep asking them for forgiveness over and over and over again, you don't ask for forgiveness if you're not sorry. But if you keep doing it, are you really sorry? That's the thing. A lot of people do that too. I know people that do that. Ask for forgiveness and they apologize, but then they just go right back and do it again over and over and over again. So how sorry were they? Let's go. Let's proceed.
Telling you right now, you gotta change.
Gotta change. Amen.
Whoa, whoa. Life goes on. No matter how hard you fall.
I love that line. Life goes on no matter
See,
how
no
hard
one knows
you fall. Get back up,
how
keep
you
going.
feel. Somebody knows how you feel. Somebody knows how you feel.
I love this guy's voice. Phenomenal sound.
Say the lights fall, and it's just better on.
The music is very unique. I'm not
All
sure
that
what
lights they call,
it's gotta be like symbols or something.
should we be better off?
That's just the guitar. That's beautiful. I'm loving this music. So unique.
Birds are always flying towards the light, and this one tried so hard to get there. Win or lose, you know it's always worth the fight. So here's one for the records, hold on tight. Here's one for the records, hold on tight.
Beautiful. Beautiful song. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Jeremy Adamiak, Bird in Flight, Pass or Fail. Very unique music, beautiful voice, deep lyrics. I love that at the end when he was talking about a bird. We see birds around, and you know, this one tried to make it. It was just very deep, very meaningful lyrics. I found myself kind of lost in them. So very, very cool. Really, really enjoyed it. I'm not sure who requested it, but I appreciate it. That was very cool. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Follow me on social media. Links are right down here. If you'd like to be a member of the flock, get your request shot at the list faster, get some exclusive content. I try to put up exclusive content as often as I can, including, you know, videos that you won't see on the page, as well as videos that I did before all these reaction videos. I used to do magic, and I used to do food challenges, stuff like that. I put those also on there. But if you'd like to be a member of the flock, information's right up here as well as in the description below. Like, share, subscribe, pass me around. Let's grow the Birdman fam. Birdman fam, flock. I love you guys. I'm going to see you all in the next video, all right? Much love. Peace. What's shaking, bacon? Birdman here. Welcome to my place. As always, thank you for stopping in. If you like this video, go on ahead and come be a member of the Birdman fam by hitting that subscribe button. Also, make sure you catch the videos on this screen, as well as a playlist of all the stuff I put together. Birdman fam, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.